Hello, we're here at SLA Equipment today to look at this custom 8.5 by 38 gooseneck drone trailer. Starting off, we can see the front platform area up top. The hydraulics, I've already opened the door up. So we can see the reservoir and the pump. The key and the switch. Aluminum railings up top and stairwell leading to the roof. There's a gate leading inside the back area. We'll step up. You can see the stairwell. And the roof has a gate door with a latch and safety rails. The flooring is a black ATP flooring. The back is barn style doors, and there's a latch on one side. This latch will allow you to keep this one side shut while you open the other. If you want to open it up both, you will just open it up. This here will catch on this top metal piece once you release the spring up, and then it'll stay open until you twist it back around. It'll go back down. This trailer has steel wheels. On the back, we can see the license plate bracket and light. This trailer has a side ramp, a transition flap. It is spring assisted. Wood interior with ventilation. There's an RV style door in the back. See the spring up top. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a great day.